Only spray salt at the entrance of your house. The results will be immediate and surprising. It is one of the elements that have never been missing in the kitchen since ancient times. Although centuries ago was considered a good and a fortune, nowadays you can get salt at very affordable prices. There are many contraindications to the indiscriminate use of sodium chloride for food, as it results in hypertension, kidney problems and fluid retention. However, it can be a great ally in the cleaning of the home, so if the doctor forbids you to consume salt, use it to clean. From now on, you are going to include salt in your life, not only as an ingredient of your favorite foods, but as a wonderful ingredient for cleaning and optimizing your home. This is what you can do with salt in your home. 1. Repels the ants. If you have problems with the ants in your home, do not worry anymore, since just put a little salt where they have attacked these insects, and we assure you that you will not know anything about them again. 2. Moisture problems. If you feel the very humid environment in your home, and you worry that they will not damage your wooden furniture, or worse to oxidize everything you have metal, do not bog down your life. With a little salt in your home you will reduce moisture problems. Just place a salt where you see more moisture. 3. Care of the silverware. We all take care of our silver cutlery as if it were our life. However, with the passing of the years they are gradually tarnishing and losing their brilliance, so that they stop having that tone so beautiful that everyone dazzles. So we recommend making a mixture with salt. This mixture brings vinegar and salt, which when contacted with silver and other metals, together with the help of a brush, you will completely remove the stains and regain the shine. I ask 3.